very good evening to all. My name is Saman. I am studying in first class. I would like to say about Christianity with a few examples. Christianity means love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness.
Please parents, many times we told you, please cooperate with us, please be seated. If we stand like that, other parents, they cannot visible to watch the program in a proper way. Please, they want to watch the program, no? Please cooperate with us.
Was in
Go ahead,
the
please be
middle
seated.
at the time of crucifixion, along with the two thieves. One thief said, "If you are Christ, then save yourself." Then other thief said, "Lord, remember me when you come into your kingdom." Then Jesus said, "Today you will be with me in paradise." Even though he is a thief, after repenting, has got forgiveness from the Lord and enter paradise. But no one throws at her, because everyone is with sin. One day, some people brought a woman committed wrong before Jesus to punish her. Then Jesus tells that who is without sin can throw a stone at her. But no one throws at her, because everyone is with sin. Then Jesus asked that any of them has thrown stones at her. She replied, "No." Then Jesus says that I will also not punish you. By the two examples, transformation in the heart gives forgiveness, makes us human beings. This is Christianity. I will do prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. పరలోకమందున్న మా తండ్రి, నీ నామం పరిశుద్ధపరచబడునుగాక, నీ రాజ్యం వచ్చునుగాక, నీ చిత్తం పరలోకమందు నెరవేరినట్లు భూమి యందు నెరవేరునుగాక. మా యందున్న ఆహారం నేడు మాకు దయచేయము. మా ఇళ్ళ అపరాధములను చేసిన వారిని క్షమించిన ప్రకారం మా అపరాధం క్షమించు. మమ్మ శోధనలు తాగదృష్టి నుండి తప్పించుము. రాజ్యము సత్యం ఏమైనా తండ్రి. ఆమెన్.